In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on Clean section at the bottom left corner and select Clean under Junk Files. Then tap on Clear in the pop-up and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Sony was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!